All right, guys. Sorry, guys. I've started this already. I remembered that a lot of people need to understand this pattern of cutting high fade. So, guys, without wasting much of our time, this is how Universal Cut HUC. Go to my YouTube channel, my Facebook channel page, the same name. Now, today, this is high fade. I don't want this head to pass this level. If it pass this level, it's going to look like those Agbero punks. Do you understand? So this head is going to stop here. The first guideline is going to be on skin level. You know how to do it. Join your blades together. Close it like this. Turn your hand like this. Texture it. And make sure that as you are texturing it, make sure you are brushing down the head. Brush up the head that you are removing so that you see how the texture is. Do you get, guys? So don't forget to share this video. Like, comment. If you really want to, once you watch someone's tutorial and you want what you learn to store in your head, make sure you share the video. Let other people benefit from it. Don't be stingy. So after you have textured it like this, finish. This is the first guideline. The second guideline is going to be on low cut level. So it's going to stop here. Can you see it? Please share this video. And if you are here to follow me, please do follow me because this page is all about haircut tutorial. Practical. Do you understand? So you open the blade like this. This is low cut level. You create the second guideline. See how I'm doing it. Texture it very well. If you don't texture it very well, it's going to disturb your final blending. So make sure you texture it very well and blend and brush off the hair. Don't forget to like us, comment, share. And if you see anywhere that I'm not doing it very well, please, I beg you, correct me. We are all learners. No one is an island. Do you get, guys? So after you have created the second guideline, the third guideline. But before I create the third guideline, I want us to clean this line. How do you clean this line? Don't join the blades together immediately. Reduce it a bit. I normally call it semi-low cut. That is the name I used to remember it. So open it a bit. You clean the line. You can use the edge of the blade. You remove the line. See how I'm doing it. You see how I'm doing it. Can you see it? Watch how my hand is moving. Remember, I told you that anything other barbers don't want to tell you, HUC, Universal Cut will surely tell you. So if you are not following me on all social media, mostly my YouTube, if you want to learn barbing, thorough barbing, go to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it. My Facebook as well, High Universal Cut. So after you have removed it finish, you still put it under low cut level to clean it very well. Can you see what I'm doing? Then after that, you use your step one. This is step one. Put your clipper, close it. Create the first guideline with the step one. See how I'm doing it. Can you see I'm flipping it? Can you see how my hand is moving? If you do it like this, it will not be nice. So you have to flip it a bit like this. So after you have done it finish, can you see? We are not yet done, but the blending is coming out, right? So after this, the next thing you need to do is to open the blade. Still put it under step one. You bring the gel down. You turn your hand like this. You blend it. Remember, don't let it to exceed this line because this is high fade. Make sure you share this video. Let other people benefit. Sometimes to make video, I don't feel like making video anymore because you watch it and learn something from it. You still comment that you learn something. Instead of it to share, let other people to benefit from it. You will not share and it's not good. So when you learn something, Bible says freely we receive, freely we should give. As you are receiving and you are learning something, please share. So after you have blended it down like this, can you see it? Can you see that the blend is coming out? You turn your clipper upward again. You flip it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? So all these things, it requires your maximum what? Focus, attention. You must be very, very calculative. Can you see that it's calculation that we are doing here? So if you really want to learn this barbering without going to any salon to register, and you want to learn it online, high universal court is a place where you learn it, because I detail it in a way that even a layman will understand, as you can see. So follow me. Don't forget to follow me. Like, comment and share. Do you understand? I love you guys. So this is it. After you have done it like this, finish, the next thing you need to do is to remove your step one. Remove your step one, blend it like this. You brush it down like this. Can you see what I'm doing? You brush it down, brush it like this. Set your hand like this. Can you see it? You blend it like this. So barbing is very, very simple. Once you have the Z, the determination, the focus, do you understand? The focus, everything is very, very simple. Can you see what I'm doing? We are done. This is high fade, perfect high fade. Please share. Please share. Don't be stingy. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Don't be stingy. Share. So I'm going to stop here. Stop it here. I don't want this video to be too long. Hope you got the basics, right? The processes. So I love you. I love you guys. So this is I2C, I universal code. Can you see it? If you see anywhere that I did not do very well, please correct me. Oh. The teacher is also a learner. I don't think I'm perfect. No one is perfect. So can you see it? This is how to cut high fade, a perfect high fade. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to follow me for more. You are going to learn a lot. Theory and practical. That is everything about this page. I love you guys. This is it. So I'm going to stop it here. I just want you to get the foundation, the basis. Do you understand? I love you guys.